Hey and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video, I'll be going over how to move your library in Steam. It's very easy and straightforward, and before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. What you'll need to do is just launch your Steam. This will be easy. You can search it in the start menu. It should already be launched. It should automatically start with Windows, but if it doesn't, you can just search it here in the Windows by typing in Steam. Okay, once it's loaded up, over here in the very top where it says Steam, View, Friends, Games, and Help, we're going to click on Steam. We're going to go down here to Settings, and this is pretty straightforward. It should start you on the account. We want to go down to the Library Settings, or the Download Settings, and it'll say Steam Library Folder. Now we can click on this here, and it shows our two drives. It shows that we have quite a bit of stuff here. Now we just added a drive, so what we're going to do is click this here button, and find the 4 terabyte drive that we just added as Drive R. We're going to click that one, click add, nice and empty here, and then we're going to go here and make it the default folder. This is going to be so that Steam will start downloading things to this one here instead of the old one. The old one's getting full and it's soon not going to have enough space to hold any more games. Denied me my last update. GG's games over 200 gigabytes, GG's. But after that there, we'll just need to click back over here to the games one and see we want to move all of these here from the old games one into the new games ones because we want to take this here hard drive out or use it for something different. And this is where Steam is intuitive. This is so easy. All we'll need to do is click down here on these ones here and we'll click move. There's no click all button. We're going to go down through the list and just click them all manually, I guess. Alright, once you have them all selected, click on the move, and then we're going to need to select our hard drive. So there's only 2 hard drives in here. We want to make sure that we're picking the 4 terabyte, the 3.6 terabyte available. We definitely want that one there. We're moving from only 2 terabytes, so this should be quite a big difference. And all you have to do is click move. This here will take a little bit of time because it will have to copy to your hard drives. So this is going to take a little bit of time here. I'll go to the PC, and it's started. It'll have our Steam library. And it will show here in our disk activity that it's moving all the files. Now this is going to take some time depending on how many games you have. So what I would do is I would go grab a drink, a coffee, take a walk around. Depending on what you do, I would just walk away from the computer, leave it for a few minutes. This is probably going to take 20 minutes to a half an hour depending, like I said, on the size. If you're moving a full 2 terabytes, this is going to take a little while. So keep that in mind. It is going to take quite a while, so when you start this, make sure that you're not doing anything. Make sure it's not storming out. Make sure there's no power outage. You don't want it to half move your files and then have to start over. But that's as easy as it is. After this here is done, you'll want to make sure you do a file check just to make sure that everything's working correctly. So that's it. I'm just going to leave this one here go, and once it's done, we'll see what it's like after that. If I have any problems, I'll definitely make sure to put it in the video. If I don't run across any problems, this will be it for me. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. But if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.